everybody. I'm going to talk about what we are learning for math this week. This week we will find number partners for 6 and 7. Number partners are two addends that make a given total. They will help us add and subtract. Let's take a look at what I have on the board here. Here I am showing the number partners for the number 6. If we look at this first one, I can see that I have one blue cube and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red cubes. So this is showing the number partners 1 plus 5 equals 6. Now we also know that when we're adding, we can switch the order of the addends around, can't we? So I could flip this around and do 5 plus 1. Okay, so there are some number partners for 6. 1 and 5, 5 plus 1. Let's take a look at the next one. I have 2 greens and 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges. So that looks like 2 plus 4 equals 6. And if I switch the addends, it becomes 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, now taking a look at the bottom one here. We have 3 yellows and 3 light blues, which looks like 3 plus 3 equals 6. You thinking what I'm thinking? That's a double, isn't it? Okay, well I can still switch the addends, can't I? I can do these 3 first and then these 3, but it is still going to say 3 plus 3 equals 6. So one thing you can do to practice making number partners is you can actually use your fingers. You can do your 5 plus 1, 1 plus 5, 4 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, same 3 plus 3. Okay, so we can make our number partners. We're also going to look at number partners for 7. And we'll be using some things like this, which are called a number bond. We've seen those a couple of times. So we're going to look at some number bonds. So this number bond tells us that 3 plus 4 equals 7. So that is one number partner for 7. We can use this number bond to help us make addition and subtraction equations. Let's look at this one. Blank plus blank equals 7. Well, I can see here that 3 plus 4 equals 7. I can check it on my fingers. 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can write an equation to go with my number bond. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Could I have written it the other way? 4 plus 3 equals 7? I sure could have. That would work too. What about a subtraction equation? 7 minus blank equals blank. I actually have 2 choices here. I can take away the 3 and say 7 minus 3 equals 4. Or I could take away the 4 and say 7 minus 4 equals 3. Either one works and it's a good equation. I just need to make sure that my equation makes sense. So let's see, 7, I'll go ahead and take away the 3. And if I have 3 and 4 making 7, and I take away the 3, I should have 4 left, which matches the other part of my number bond. That's a good clue that I've done this correctly. If my numbers match, and my number bond matches, and my fingers match, or my cube picture matches, that's a good clue that I'm doing this right. So this week we're going to look at the number partners for 6 and 7, and this is going to help us with our addition and our subtraction. So if you miss a class, come straight to this video and it'll help you get all caught up. Bye.